Concerns are growing over political instability in Bulgaria, which could disrupt several ongoing negotiations and dossier with the European Union. Following Monday's announcement of early parliamentary elections, the seventh in 3 years, questions have been raised on the next Bulgarian commissioner, an appointment due by the end of the month at the latest.
Очаквам всъщност тези предизборни битки, които започнаха в Народното събрание още от сега, очаквайки есента да влезем в поредните избори, да имат отражение и за избора на еврокомисар. Затова, според мен, най-вероятно ще се стигне до решението настоящият еврокомисар, госпожа Еляна Иванова, да бъде новата кандидатура.
Also on the front burner is Bulgaria joining the Eurozone. Sofia hopes to join the single currency in 2025, but the political difficulties of recent years make this unlikely.
The plan was for Bulgaria to join the Eurozone 1st of January 2025. This now seems to be an elusive target. There was no positive report by the European Commission. The inflation target hasn't been met, and the caretaker government probably won't have the political muscle to bring those figures into control.
Bulgaria could also face problems in obtaining the funds allocated to it as part of the European Recovery Plan following the COVID-19 pandemic. The payments come with conditions that governments must meet.